Hey garden lovers, today I'm going to show you how to maintain and prune your mint plant to keep it healthy and thriving. Mint is a versatile and hardy herb that grows best in moist, well-drained soil. It can thrive in both full sun and partial shade. Make sure to keep the soil consistently moist, especially during hot and dry periods. Mint can spread quickly, so it's a good idea to plant it in a pot or use a root barrier if planting in the ground. Now let's talk about pruning. The best time to prune mint is in the spring or early summer, just before it starts to flower. Use sharp scissors or pruning shears to cut the stems just above the ground, leaving at least 2 to 3 inches of stem. This helps the plant recover and stay healthy. After the mint flowers in August, you can give it a light trim. Remove the flowers and cut back the stems by about 1/3. Don't forget, you can use the pruned stems for tea, salads, or desserts. Mint is winter hardy, but if you have it in a pot, move it to a sheltered spot during severe frost. Happy gardening. Don't forget to like and